How to change bank account on DoorDash driver app. So briefly, Dashers can get their earnings weekly via direct deposit. US-based Dashers may also access their earnings more frequently via FastPay. Please note that if you are based in the US and you want to use FastPay, you will not be able to use it for 7 calendar days after any changes to your debit card info. So to set up your direct deposit with your bank account, go to settings in your device and give the Dasher app access to your camera. Launch the Dasher app, go to the Earning tabs, tap on View Payout Details button, and select Change Payout Method. Tap Add Bank Account to set up your direct deposit or update to change your bank account information. An important tip is to be sure that the account you provided is a checking account. DoorDash cannot deposit payments into savings account. And when you're adding your bank account, the app will prompt you to take a photo of your ID. And if you're based in the US or Canada, take note of the routing and account number. You will be prompted to enter a two-step verification code, which will be sent to you via text message. Once you've done the two-step verification, tap Submit and check your bank account on the second Wednesday after dashing to confirm transfer of payment. If you do not receive the payment, double check your account details in the app. And that is how you change your bank account details on your Dasher app.